You want me to go right now? Right now. All right, let's go. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're out here in the woods trying to find a camp spot. My tent's gonna be here Wednesday, so I need to go out and find a good camp spot so Ashley can have an enjoyable time and she's not miserable spending the first time in a tent. So where are we at here? We're at spot number 2. I have about 8 different spots to check out today, so we're gonna adventure around. I'm gonna show you the spots, let you know what I think about them. I thought to make a cool video and test out my adventure skills. So let's check out this spot. This is spot number 2. And then it goes up, if you can see, it goes up that way. So I'm gonna take you up there. This is like the main spot. You gotta walk across this little creek here. And then here's the second spot up in this way. It's not that far from the road, but not many people come up this way. Then if you take a small walk on this side, you're greeted with this amazing view. You like this view?
Yeah. I want that house down there. Look at that house down there. I didn't even notice that until just now.
I gotta watch where I walk. It's so weird holding an actual camera when you walk. What do you think, Stone?
Look at that house.
What house?
So nice.
This is the view. Come up to this ledge here. That is a view, huh? For a camp spot? I mean, about the best view you can get in PA. So yeah, that's the basis of the first camp spot we looked at. We're up here on the hill, super nice. Check out this aerial footage of it. All right, now we're going to the next camp spot. Let's go. Alrighty, we are on the way to the next camp spot. Getting pretty dark, running out of daylight, and the trail's turning to ice. Hey, I got the next camp spot. So, this is camp spot number 3. We're running out of daylight. Not very good. This was like 35 minutes away from the last camp spot. I wanted to get all 8 in today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. When we left the house, it was like 62. It's like 45 now. But yeah, this is camp spot number 3. The taco did great on the trails. Loving the setup so far. Can't wait to get the tent on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the spot. I think it's a little bit too big for us, but maybe if we had a couple buddies come with us, this space would be used better. But you can hear the river. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Maybe. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna show you guys this camp spot. Let's go. So yeah, this is the spot. We got a picnic table, a fire pit, and then all this space, man. This is a lot of space.
Tonight.
So we're walking back the trail here to where the river's at, or creek, or whatever you call it. We got Stone. He's loving this. Check out the river though, the little creek.
Here's some.
Look at him. He's loving this. All right, we're in the truck now because it went from 63 to 40, and then by the little creek river thing, it was like 20. And I didn't bring a coat because, you know, I left the house and it was 63. Why would I put a coat on? That doesn't make any sense. Anyways, this was spot 3. I like hearing the creek, but I do not like the location and the views that's not there. I definitely think spot 2 is probably the right one. Kind of ran out of daylight, so we still got a bunch to check. So maybe in a different video, but we're definitely going to get out and just go to spot 2 when the tent comes. What do you think about that?
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
She seems excited. If you like this, hit a like button, man. Hit subscribe. Stay tuned because the next video is gonna be the tent video, and I'm gonna put all the effort into it. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be aesthetic. She's gonna be in it. He's gonna be in it. Everyone's gonna be in it. The drone's gonna be in it. It's gonna be awesome. So if you want to see that, hit subscribe, hit like, follow along. I don't know. See you later, guys.